Today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 359 different strategies, with 115 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 256 of the other strategies that we put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,034 indicators, with 431 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. And so the source video says new TradingView free indicator with entry exit points, buy sell perfect signals. And so interesting wording of the title from the source video. So seems to be implying that it is going to give perfect signals. Well, I mean, it said it was going to give perfect signals, and so must be implying that maybe it would have a 100% win rate, and we know that that's not going to be the case. Every strategy, every indicator at some point takes a losing trade, and so we know that's not going to be an accurate statement right off, but that doesn't mean that this strategy is necessarily a bad one. So what we'll do is just go ahead and hide the two indicators we have on screen now. And the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be Jack's beginner strategy. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And we'll jump into the settings. And the EMA 1, you'll change to 9. The EMA 2, you'll change to 15. The EMA 3, you'll change to 19. The EMA 4, change to 57. And then go ahead and click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the market structure oscillator. And it's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And again, we'll jump into the settings of this one. And what we're going to do is change the short term weight to 2. The intermediate term weight to 5, the long term weight to 3, and the oscillator smoothing to 5. And then I scroll down here, and under this area here, the histogram colors, the bullish I changed to green, and the bearish I changed to red. And click OK. Everything else stays on the default setting. So what we're looking for a long trade, so we are looking for when we get a green arrow like this here from the Jack's beginner strategy. When we get a green arrow like that, we're going to then look down to the market structure oscillator, and we want it to have a green histogram bar. And then lastly, we're going to look to price action, and we want the last candle, or I should say the current candle, the signal candle, I guess, you want that to be a green candle like it is right here. When all those line up, that'll be the signal to then enter into a long. We're going to put the trade right there and put our stop just right below this kind of pivot that it created right here. And then we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward. And so we'll be right about there. Let's play this forward and see how it plays out. You can see a really strong push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, what we're looking for is a red arrow from Jack's beginner strategy like this here. We're then going to look down to the market structure oscillator, and we want it to have a red histogram bar like this here. And then lastly, we look to price action, and we want it to have a nice red bar on that signal right there. And that'll be the signal to then enter into a short. We're going to put our trade right here, put our stop just right above this pivot right here, and target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like before. Right about there. All right, let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. All right, this one takes a little bit longer, but we make a nice steady push to the downside, getting us to our take profit once again. All right, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. All right, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades, we got 16 winning trades and 34 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 32% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $9,600. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $13,600 for an overall loss of $4,000 altogether. So definitely not a great strategy. And it's definitely not going to give you the perfect buy-sell signals. Compare that to the Academy Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 43 trades altogether. We had 34 winning trades and 9 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 78% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $20,400. On the losing side, you would have lost $10,800 for an overall gain of $9,600. And recently, I've been putting the final touches on a position management strategy that would actually increase the win rate of the Academy of Forex indicator to the high 90%. And so the total gain on this testing would have been closer to around $19,000. So definitely better results. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator, and you do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. Recently, we have developed a crypto scalping strategy, also using loosely the position management strategy as well. You can see some of the trades on screen now. So some really good results. If you're interested in viewing a video on this strategy, you can click the link up in the corner now, and it will look like a little circle with an eye in it. It'll drop you down to 2 thumbnails. Click the one that says new crypto scalping strategy, and I'll be releasing the position management strategy to the patrons here in the very near future, the next week or so, as I put the final touches on it. And so, all right, that's it for this strategy here on the no list, and we will move on to the next video from here.